Before you begin collaging the rest of your artwork, you want to make sure you have the supplies necessary. You want your glue water. In the classroom, we just thin this a little bit with water. And it's just regular old school glue. Other supplies that you'll need for this project are a selection of decorative papers, your glue brush, your scissors, and lots of paper towel. You can really start anywhere you like, but as with most artwork, especially landscapes, I like to start with the furthest thing away from me in the picture plane and work my way forward in the painting. So I'm going to start with the water that you see in my mangrove scene. I'm going to use my darker blues for some of the darker areas in my water and my lighter blues for some of the highlights. I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks. You can cut your paper into smaller pieces like this and then stack a few of them on top and cut out a larger shape like a leaf or maybe a group of leaves. And that can cover a larger area, and then of course overlap them. And even these little tiny pieces can be cut up into other pieces for use somewhere else. So I've already cut some larger solid color leaf shapes. So I'm going to start filling in this section over here with some of the green that I want.